Hi, my name is Mr. DeGracia, and I'm a music teacher here at Stafford Elementary. Following Texas standards, today we're going to be using musical terminology, which is 1B of the TEKS, and reading music notation, which is 3A of the TEKS.
Well, there's the time portal. I hope I don't get sick on this jump.
My new space boots share your feelings. Quick, Revlon, how many years after 2020 is the year 42,020?
That's 40,000.
You are getting so good at maths.
Are you being sarcastic?
Mr. DeGracia, can you use your guitar to show Creflon how I feel about his maths? One major chord coming up, Captain.
Oh, well, when you say it like that, you really are happy with my math.
Oh, now they have a chance to see the outside of our ship.
Yeah, it looks really high-tech.
Do you really mean that?
Mr. DeGracia?
Oh, I guess you'll need to find another ship to take you home.
Why are we in year 42,020, Captain?
Oh yes, this would actually be the day NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft will finally be closer to the next star system. It's carrying a recording of the best sounds and music Earth has to offer. And just in time.
What do you mean, just in time? We broke it. Can we fix it? Can you go back in time?
It's always been our destiny to break the golden record and re-record it.
But we don't know the first thing about Earth music.
Mr. DeGracia?
Well, to help out Cursor and Creflon, we're going to explain two concepts about what Earth music is. So it's got harmony and rhythm. Harmony is how sounds relate to each other. And rhythm is when sounds happen in relation to a steady beat. So music is just what sounds you make and when you make them. So getting into harmony, we're exploring how sounds relate to each other. We've got this sound, and this sound. The way they relate to each other is a nice major harmony. Sounds kind of happy, sounds kind of complete. If we have these three sounds, put them together, we've got minor harmony. Minor harmony tends to sound a little older and a little sadder. Harmony gets more advanced. It actually gets a lot more complicated than that. I'll give you a little taste of it and we'll get back to major and minor. So here's major, minor, and I told you it got more advanced. So here's a whole tone scale. So this sounds like you're in a dream. And here's something they use in horror movies called the 12-tone row, where I use all the notes in random order. So that was intense. We saw what harmony could do, how advanced it could get, but we'll take it back to just major and minor and do a listening activity. So remember, we're looking for which one is minor. The way that you'll do this is you're going to listen for which one sounds older and sadder. You'll hear two examples. Here's how it'll be. You'll hear two examples, and then you're going to tell me which example was minor, which one was older and sadder. Okay? Number one. Number two. Right, just to hear it again because it was short. Number one. And number two. Right. And number two was the minor one. Maybe Mr. DeGracia needs to work on his poker face a little bit because I don't want to give it away with my face. So I'm not gonna smile or frown. See what we can do. Okay, so let's try another one. Number one. Number two. We'll do it again. Number 1. Number 2. And number 1 was minor. Okay, let's try another one. And number 2. Again, number 1. Number 2.
You look so tired.
Have to concentrate.
And number 2 was minor.
You look so cute.
Okay, let's try this one.
You look like a small little boy. Your playing is very is awesome.
I was scared.
And number
it sounded
2.
really sloppy. I was kind of nervous.
I think she's playing the piano.
Again, number 1. And number 2.
I like the picture of the
And
thing.
number 1 was minor.
Come on.
Okay, let's try this one.
Rock mama.
It's number 1. And number 2. One more time. Number 1. And number 2.
Your playing was awesome. But you look so nervous.
Yeah, it's a lot of concentration.
And number 2 was minor.